Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the thumbnail. So first you're just going to want to do a random line in the page, just like this. And then you're going to draw lines on the opposite sides of the line, just like this. And then you're going to want to keep drawing lines like this. Just keep adding lines. You can add as many lines as you want. Just make it about maybe max like 10 lines. So around like this, what I'm doing. So you're going to want to keep doing this all the way to the end. Just like this. Okay. So I think this is my honor. I think I'm going to do one more after this. Okay. And now if I edit it, I can make it a bit bigger. Okay. Now I've got to do my last one. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to do a line to the side, just like this. So you're going to do a line like that, and you're going to want to keep repeating this, doing lines, and you're going to want to make it really big, maybe 6 of these on your page, at least. 6 of these long lines. Okay, so I'm just going to finish this. Okay, so now if I've added another line, and I'm just doing that. Okay, adding another line, just like that. I'm going to do the line now. Okay. So there. So now I'm just doing this. Okay, so I'm just doing this. Shouldn't take too long. Just like this. Okay. So that's the first one. Second one. You want to get good shapes like this. Okay. Second last one. And then last one, just like this. I'm just gonna add a couple more lines like this. Okay. So now I'm doing another line, just like that. Okay. So I'm just doing this. I'm gonna add lines, couple extra lines on this one. Okay. So now just finish this line. Okay, so now what you're gonna do after you've done like a couple big lines, like 6 or something, you're going to want to fill in gaps like this. You're just going to want to do random lines going different ways, random groups of lines, just like this. Okay. So as you can see, this is what you need to do. I'm only going to fill half my page with this, but if you want, you can do your full page. So now I've done a little bit of most of it. So I'm just gonna do big lines, just random big lines. Just like that. You can make some of them squiggly, you can make some of them curvy, you can make some of them just straight. Okay, so see, just making lines, just like that. Okay, so now you're gonna just almost done with the page. We have one little spot left and then we're done. Okay, so this one will be pretty quick. Let's get through this and then I'll be done, but if you want, you can do the full page. You can do this on anything, Procreate, paper, anything that you can just draw on, paint on. So I'm almost done. These are the last couple of lines for me. This takes about 20 to 30 minutes. If you do the full page, probably about 40 minutes. But at the end, it looks pretty cool. Okay, last lines. Alright, so now that I'm done, this is what mine looks like. It looks pretty cool. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this with your friends. Bye!